Investors have been keeping an eye on the price of XRP lately, as evidenced by the recent rise in its value. At the time of writing, Ripple's native asset was up nearly 8% to achieve a weekly high after consolidating in the $2.30 to $2.50 area over the previous few weeks. On the other hand, since the current rise, many people have been speculating on the possible causes of the recent advancements in IT. Given this, let's examine a few of the most significant catalysts that might have influenced the market catalysts. Why is XRP becoming more expensive? The price of XRP rose by 8% to $2.78 from the previous day, and the volume of its trading rose by 63% to $8.799 billion. The fact that the cryptocurrency rose from a low of $2.58 to a high of $2.83 in just over a day is very remarkable and shows strong market confidence. Notably, CoinGlass data showed that open interest in XRP futures rose by 10%, suggesting that the cryptocurrency could soon see significant momentum. Another sign that the market is seeing buying pressure is the relative strength index, which is at 55 right now. On the other hand, a number of reasons, including changes in regulatory rules and the overall mood of the market, may be responsible for the recent surge in the price of XRP. Before we talk about how cryptocurrency might perform in the near future, let's examine the main variables that may have contributed to its advancements. Will the SEC soon approve the XRP ETF as it gathers traction? Donald Trump's election triumph has boosted market mood and raised expectations for a cryptocurrency-friendly regulatory environment in the country. The United States Securities and Exchange Commission's recent moves, especially the creation of the Crypto Task Force, make this even more clear. While this is going on, there are a lot of rumors that an XRP exchange-traded fund, or ETF, would soon be authorized in the U.S. Discussions in the business were triggered when the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, or SEC, recently acknowledged XRP ETF registrations from 21 shares. Furthermore, it follows the Securities and Exchange Commission's (CCC) recognition earlier this week of Grayscale's Dogecoin and XRP exchange-traded fund ETF registrations. The regulatory landscape in the United States has changed, especially when compared to Gary Gensler's tenure. Furthermore, it improved market sentiment, since many consider these enhancements to be a significant step in the process of approving an XRP ETF in the U.S. It might significantly boost the cryptocurrency's appeal to investors and encourage its uptake at the same time. Nevertheless, it seems that the recent occurrences have been important catalysts for the current spike in XRP's price. Speculation about the U.S. Reserve is driving market mood. The United States seems to be considering creating a crypto strategic reserve in place of its earlier pledge to reserve asset that was only based on Bitcoin. Although these speculations have impacted Bitcoin maximalists, they have also stoked worries about the potential for an XRP reserve in the U.S. Many individuals believe that the U.S. government would explore using Ripple's native asset as a possible substitute for the reserve asset because of Donald Trump's partnership with the company. Additionally, allegations that CEO Brad Garlinghouse has been added to Trump's advisory board within the Bitcoin industry have further stoked market debates. The market's view has been further reinforced by the notable statement made by a prominent lawyer in the XRP community that the cryptocurrency needs hit $5 in order to qualify for the U.S. reserve asset. Final results of the SEC lawsuit against Ripple. What can we expect? The current spike in XRP's price could be related to the growing controversy surrounding the Ripple v. SEC case. The United States Securities and Exchange Commission, or SEC, may soon decide to drop or dismiss the continuing legal case, according to recent market moves. Notable is the recent assertion by legal expert Jeremy Hogan that the Ripple issue may be settled before the XRP ETF is approved, which has increased market interest even more. Meanwhile, market confidence has been bolstered by the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission's (SEC) recent stance on cryptocurrency cases. The United States Securities and Exchange Commission, or SEC, recently asked for an additional 28 days in the action against Coinbase. In a recent filing, the Securities and Exchange Commission, or SEC, requested this delay, claiming that the ongoing legal battle might be resolved with the help of the newly formed Crypto Task Group. Furthermore, this prompted a lot of people to believe that the ongoing lawsuit against XRP will be resolved or dismissed shortly. Furthermore, well-known lawyers have conjectured that the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, or SEC, would be dragging out the proceedings in order to accommodate Paul Atkins, who is anticipated to become the next chair of the SEC. Analysts predict that the SEC may start dismissing Bitcoin cases after Atkins becomes the new chair of the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission in the first part of the year. How will the price of XRP change? Because of the recent surge in XRP's price, many individuals are now curious about the asset's future. It is anticipated to rise to $5.85. This is a significant advancement. Defender believes that when XRP gets closer to the $2.80 level it is now trading at, it will surpass the $2.90 barrier and go to the pivotal Fibonacci level of $5.85. The Relative Strength Index, or RSI, has formed a golden cross, indicating the onset of a bullish trend. The expert has determined support levels of $2.44 and $2.33 and short-term goals of $2.90, $5.85, and $8.03. In the meantime, another cryptocurrency specialist, eGrag Crypto, said in a recent study that if the cryptocurrency is able to produce a strong close over $2.75, the next target would be at $2.94. The asset will continue its journey by approaching the $3.22 and $3.40 marks after these levels are breached. This attitude is quite similar to that of renowned expert Ali Martinez, who said that if the price of XRP stays over $2.30, it might eventually hit $3. Taking into account all of these evaluations and projections, it seems likely that the cryptocurrency will soon hit the $3 mark, with an eye toward $8 in the long run.